CX Automatic Tin Can Sealing Machine. This automatic can sealing machine is designed for sealing 5-liter square tin cans. It has an automatic lid replenishment system with 4 lid feeding slots. When a slot runs out of lids, the system automatically rotates to refill it, keeping production going smoothly. The sealing part has a 4-roller setup, which applies even pressure for a tight seal on tin cans. This design improves sealing quality and helps prevent leaks or contamination. The machine is controlled by a PLC and operated through a user-friendly touch screen, making it easy to understand and operate. The machine uses advanced automation, so it seals cans without needing manual help, boosting production efficiency. It's built with a smart design, easy to use, and simple to maintain, making it great for sealing different sizes of cans. CXPACK, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.